Namaste, my beautiful creators. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to crochet this gajra, which never fades, never dries, and looks prettier. So, why spend money on artificial gajras when you can crochet one? Grab your yarn, hook, scissors, and let's start creating magic. Start with a slip knot and chain 40. In the second chain from the last, make 1/2 DC. So in the next stitch, make a 1/2 DC. So for a 1/2 DC, you take yarn on the hook, insert the needle in the stitch, yarn over just once, and that is a 1/2 DC. So make 1/2 DC in every stitch and continue the same for all the stitches till stitch 39. So you have to just leave one stitch last and then continue all for 1/2 DCs. Now for the last one, chain 1 and make a slip stitch in the last stitch, and then you chain 20. Once you chain 20, cut off the yarn, tighten the yarn, and let's move on to the next stitch. Now connect the white yarn and make a slip stitch, then you chain 3. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 5 DCs in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So once you do 5 DCs, you insert your hook in the first between the first DC and pull over the yarn. So this is a popcorn stitch. Then chain 3 and slip stitch in the same stitch. In the next stitch, you do a slip stitch, 3 chains, again 5 DC, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now insert the hook between the first and the second DC and pull over the yarn from behind to make it like a popcorn like this, and then chain 3, slip stitch in the same stitch, then slip stitch in the next one, and you continue the pattern again. So 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, 5 DC, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then insert your hook in the first DC and pull off the yarn, and 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch in the same stitch, so this gives it a popcorn look, and you continue the same pattern throughout. Once you reach at the end, you have to chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So this completes the flower stitches. You just cut off the yarn and tighten this. Now on the starting side of the gajra, again attach the green yarn with a slip stitch and chain 20. Cut off the yarn, and you can even increase or decrease the chain size here as you need, and then secure if there are any loose ends, just secure them and cut them off, and the gajra is completed now. You can make this gajra in any color as per your choice. It's perfect for festivals, weddings, or also for pujas. If you loved this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep creating, keep shining, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.